First order of the day. This one's gonna be for Mr. Maple Donuts. $11 going 5 miles.
Thank you. Have a wonderful day.
You too. Just got this Sherry's order. This one is $10 going just under 4 miles.
There you go.
Thank you.
He never put me on.
Total ended up being $10.25. Why they hid a quarter from me, couldn't tell you. This one is most likely not going to be ready, but I'm going to take it anyways just to keep moving today. This is IHOP, $8.25 going 4.5 miles.
This one that you picked it up, sorry. This one might be easier to use. Pull one of these so I have one out. Okay,
Thank you.
And then it has the drink with it.
Yes,
Okay.
gotcha.
You have a great day.
You as well. Actually ready on time? Let's go. Okay, you know what? Whatever. We're taking this. This is a stack for IHOP. $20 and some change going just under 10 miles. Thank you. You too. Wow, IHOP is actually on the ball today. 0 wait so far. Next order just came in. This one's gonna be for Burger King. $8.75 going 3 miles.
Here you are.
Thank you. I'm looking at their order. They got 2 triple Whoppers. Like, do you really need that much Whopper at 9 in the morning?
1,000 feet, turn left.
Fucking hell. Is there a bump there? Next order up is a shop and deliver for Safeway. This one's gonna be $13 and some change. 6 miles, only 3 items. This, right? Oh, that's heavy. Next order up is gonna be for Jack in the Box. This one is $7 and some change, going less than 2 miles. Thank you. It says, please ring the doorbell. Thank you, thank you, thank you. I can do that. Next order up is for Angels. This one is $7.25 going 2 miles.
I didn't know you were picking up.
Yeah, I got Nicole.
Nicole?
Yeah.
Someone just picked up that order.
Really?
Yeah.
Do you know how long ago that was?
Like maybe 3-4 minutes ago? Max. No more than 5.
Okay. Well, I haven't had this happen to me in a while. It's now been 5 minutes since I first contacted support. Still waiting. Thank you for your patience. I am still trying to reach the customer. Bruh, if someone did actually pick it up, then they haven't gotten there yet. So just give me half pay so I can leave. All right, finally got my half pay. That took way too long. Here we go. Got a shop and deliver for alcohol. $11.25 going under 4 miles, only one item.
I got this bag.
The fact that it took me, what, 40 seconds to shop, but I didn't get to leave the store for another 5 to 10 minutes, it's just insane to me. All right, and then just scribble on that line for me. Good enough for me. Oh, got another one. Shop and deliver for alcohol, $8.75 going less than 2 miles, only one item. Please make sure this is bagged when brought up to my apartment. Oh, of course it's upstairs. Always upstairs. Okay, and then just scribble on that line for me. Cute cat.
Oh, thanks. She's a kind of...
I bet. They always are.
Yeah.
All right, good to go. Frank.
Yeah.
Have a good day, Frank.
Thank you. Have a good day.
You too. All right, well, my tummy is starting to yell at me, so I think I might just call it here and go get some lunch. Current time is 11:56, and current total, or I guess total, is $107 plus, I think it was like $3 and change for that half pay. So what is that, 110? That's gonna be it for this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.